Are you frustrated with your computer? Does it make you feel like breaking it or burning it because your CPU is not performing at all? Don't worry anymore. I am here with the solution to your problem.
solvingdad.com.
How to boost your CPU speed in Windows 10 11. Make your PC 100% faster. Okay, so if your PC is slow, that you could make a cup of coffee, drink it, wash the cup, and still be waiting for Chrome to open. This video is made for you, my friend. Today, I am going to walk you through exactly how to boost your CPU speed in Windows 10 and 11. I promise no complicated stuff, just simple, easy steps that actually work. Okay, let's go. Change your power plan. Alright, so first things first, Windows by default keep your PC on something called balanced mode. Basically, Windows is saying, hey, let's chill, let's save some power, but we don't want to chill, we want speed. So here, what do you do? Hit the Windows key, search power plan, choose a power plan, change plan setting, change advanced power setting, click on balanced. Click high performance, then OK. That's it. Now your CPU will run at maximum speed. Super simple, right? Clean up your startup programs. Okay, guys, this one is so important and most people just ignore it. When your PC starts up like 40 to 50 programs, just wake up all at once. Antivirus, Spotify, Discord, random stuff you don't even remember installing. Your poor CPU is just sitting there like, bro, why are you doing this to me? Fix it like this. Control Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Go to the Startup tab. Right click anything you don't need and hit Disable. Less program starting up, less load on your CPU, faster PC simple math. Then close the tab. Now restart your PC. Turn off visual effects. Now this one is a little trade-off. Windows has all these pretty animations and visuals running in the backgrounds. They look nice, sure, but they are quietly eating up your CPU power. Let's turn them off. Right click this PC, then Properties, then Advanced System Setting, Performance Setting. Choose Adjust for best performance. Then OK, and close the tab. Your PC might looks a little plain after this, but trust me, it will feel so much snappier. Update your drivers. Guys, people always forget this one. Outdated drivers are like trying to run a new car on an old rusty engine. It just does not work properly. Go to the Intel's or AMD's website, find your CPU model and download the latest drivers. Takes maybe 5 minutes and makes a real difference. And that's it, guys. 5 easy steps, and your PC should feel like a brand new machine. If this helped you out even a little, please hit the like button. It really means a lot and helps the channel grow. And subscribe so you never miss a tip like this. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I read every single one and I always reply. Alright, I will see you in the next one. Take care and stay awesome.